Good morning, readers. We are going to read this book together. This book focuses on the AD word family, add. So just like yesterday, we're going to look through and we're going to look for words that have add in them. So here's the title, Lad on My Pad. So let's think for a second. What could this story be about? Yeah, so a lad is another name for a boy. Yes, so this could be about a boy with a notebook. And we can see that. Yeah, there's a little boy, and there's a notebook, and there's a pencil. Those are really great ideas. All right, let's move on to the next page. We're going to focus in on words I can read. We know these words from yesterday. Add words dad, lad, mad, rad, sad, glad. Here are some words we can review, words we already know. I, on, the, can, am, and, my, see. And here are a few new words we might see. Make and said. Let's begin reading. I see my pad. Now it's your turn. You read it. I can make a lad on my pad.
I am mad,
Said the lad. Now it's your turn. You read. I can make a lad on my pad. I am sad, said the lad. Your turn. I can make a lad on my pad. I am rad, said the lad. Your turn. Rad means cool. He's like, cool little dude. I can make a lad on and dad on my pad. Your turn. Last page. I am glad, said the lad and dad. Your turn. Bobcats, we did a great job of reading this book together.